Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my session. In this video, I'm going to cover number system 3 video guys. We already completed two different videos. If you miss those videos, watch those videos guys. You can understand the concept. You can able to solve any questions related for number system. In every video, I repeated the concept and we solve few examples in every live session. So before that, if you guys are new to our channel, just subscribe our channel and share this information with your friends who are preparing for different examinations. Definitely our content will help their preparation guys. For the next, all the questions, try to solve and post your answers in the comment section. I will check your comments. So without any delay, let's start our questions. Now let's see this question. If A is equal to 4011, B is equal to 3989, then what is the value of AB? Now we have to identify that product value. See here there are two numbers. See, one number is 4011 and another number is 3989. Can I take this value as 4000 plus 11 and this value is 4000 minus 11? And you know the property. It's all about A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So if you go through this information, see 4000 and 4000 is all about 16 and we have 6 zeros guys. So total we have 16 lakhs minus 121. 11 square is all about 121. So if you find the difference of 1000 and 121 guys, see if you find the difference of 1000 and 121, see here you will get 9 units, here you will get 8 units, here you will get exactly equal to 880 879 units. So that is the difference you can find in 1000 and 121. So 16 lakhs minus 800 means 121. That resultant should be 15 lakhs 99,979. So that is the three digit you have to see in the last one. So if you go through the option guys, see this is the option. See 15999,879. So option 1 is the correct answer. So here we are using this property A plus B into A minus B. Go through this simplification. Now see 1 by 7 plus 999 692 by 693 is multiplied with 99, that is equal to. Now you already know that A B by C can be represented as A plus B by C. You can write in the form of A plus B by C. Let's write this information. 1 by 7 plus 999 plus 692 divided by 693, and these numbers should be multiplied with the 99. Let's write the second step here. 999. So can I take 692 by 693 is all about 1 minus 1 by 693. And again should be multiplied with the 99. Further simplification, see 999 plus 1 is all about 1000. 1000 minus 1 by 693. Now you can multiply those number with 99. So 1 by 7 plus 99 is multiplied with 1000 is 99,000 minus 99 divided by 693. So this is exactly 7 times 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is cancelled. Final resultant is 99,000 guys. So that's the simplification. You have to know this information. You can write A B by C in the form of A plus B by C. If you know this information, you can solve this kind of questions. Just go through this information. Now see this data. In a division, the divisor is 3 times the quotient and 6 times the remainder. If the remainder is 2, what is the dividend? And first of all, see, if you want to calculate a dividend, it is completely depends on divisor is multiplied with the quotient plus reminder. So this is the information you can calculate a dividend with the help of divisor, quotient and remainder. This is the formula, guys. And they clearly mention that here remainder is 2. Let's take that remainder is 2. Now we have a data. See, the divisor is 3 times the quotient n. So n means again they are talking about divisor. Divisor is 6 times the remainder. 6 times of 2 is 12 units. Here the quotient. See, if divisor is 3 times the quotient means definitely quotient value is one third of divisor. That is an exact meaning, right? So one third of 12 is 4 units. Go through the further simplification. Here 48 units plus 2 units. Total value is exactly equal to 50. Here the number is 50. Go through this question. Now see the question. Here two numbers 11,284 and 7,655. When divided by certain number of 3 digits leaves the same remainder. Now sum of the digits of 3 digits is. Here there are two numbers 11284 and the next number is 7655. Guys, if you want which number, which 3 digit number is exactly divided these two numbers to give remainder is same. So let's find the difference here. If you go through the difference here, 14 minus of 5 is equal to 9 units. Now it becomes a 7, right? 7 minus 5 is exactly equal to 2. Next one, see. Here 12 minus 6 is equal to 6 and 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. So here the difference is 3629. Now you have to verify 3629 is divisible by which number. You can use all the properties. For example, it is not divisible by 2 pakka. It is not divisible by 3 by because sum of the digits is not divisible by 3. And it is not divisible by 4. You have to go through the trial and error, guys. It is not divisible by 5. If it is not divisible by 2 and 3, it is not divisible by 6. Let's go through the 7 table. See here, 7 is exactly 4 times 28. 7 5 is 35. We have it 12. 7 1 7 5 59. It is not at all divisible by 7. So last three digits. So let's go through that. It is not divisible by 8. It is not divisible by 9, 10, 11. So 11 is also not possible. 12. If any number is divisible by 3 and 4, definitely it is divisible by 12. In this way, you have to go through these trial and error method, guys. Let's go through the prime numbers 13, 17, 19, guys. See, if you go through that 13, so 13 is multiplied with the 2 times exactly equal to 26, it is exactly 102. And 13 is multiplied with the 7 times, then the difference is 91. So 91 and 102 is a difference of exactly 11 units. So 119 you never get in 13 table. That's why it is also not divisible by 13. Same way, let's check with the 17 table here. 17 2 is 34, 22. 17 1, 17, 59. You never get in 17 table. Let's go through the 19 table. So 19 ones 19. So 19 ones 19. Here the difference is 172. And 19 is multiplied with the 19 is multiplied with the 9 times. 9 nines 81. So 9 nines 81. 9 ones 9. 9 plus 8 is 179. So sorry, 9 nines 81. So it's a 171. And it is exactly 1 time 9 times. Again you can find the difference of 19 again 191 times. So 19 into 191 is exactly equal to 3629. Here the question, the sum of the digits of such 3 digit number. So here 3 digit number is 191. If you go through the sum, 1 plus 9 plus 1 is equal to 11. Go through this question. Now see here the question, if n is divided by 6, if the remainder is 4. Now 2n is divided by 6, what is the remainder? First identify what is n value. 6 is multiplied with the quotient x, remainder is 4. Let's go through the 2n. If it is 2n value, 12x plus 8. Now we are dividing 12x plus 8 by 6, guys. So if 12x is exactly divided by 6, now 8 is divided by 6, here the remainder is 2. If 2n is divided by 6, the remainder is 2 units. Let's go through this question, try this one. The sum of the digit of any integers lying between 100 to 1000 is subtracted from the number. The result is always, guys, first of all, take the 3-digit number x, y, z. See, what about the sum? Sum of a 3-digit number is x plus y plus z. Next one. What is the value of any 3-digit number which lies from 100 to 1000? So you have to multiply with the place value. Multiply with the place value is 100x plus 10y plus z. Information clearly mentioned that just find the difference. If you find the difference, means we are subtracting some value from the value. Now 100x minus of x is all about 99x plus 9y, and z is cancelled. And you can see that 9 is a common multiple. If 9 is a common multiple, you will get the quotient is 11x plus y. Here the question. If you subtract that number, the number means the resultant is always divisible by which number? 9. Try to solve this question. Which one of the number is divisible by 25? You can go through the 25 information. 25 once 25. 25 is multiplied with a 2, then the value is 50. If 25 into 3 is equal to 75, 25 into 4 times is exactly equal to 100. So if you observe that if any number is divisible by 25, means last two digits must be 25 or 50 or 75 or double zero. If you go through the information, you can able to see there is a one option is available, last two digits is 75. If last two digits is 75, definitely it is divisible by 25. Go through this information. A number x, when divided by 289, leaves 18 as a remainder. The same number, when divided by 17, by as a remainder, find the y value. Now see, there is a number x, which is divided by 289, the remainder is 18. What about the x value here? 289 is multiplied with a quotient and remainder is 18. Now we are dividing this entire number with a 17. It means see, 289 we divided by 17, 18 divided by 17. So it never leaves any remainder. But 18 divided by 17 definitely it reminders 1. So according to the data, so y is a remainder, y value is 1, guys. So before solving this question, first of all, 1 to 9 total how many numbers are there? See, final number minus initial number plus 1. Remember guys, final number minus initial number plus 1 gives the total value. 9 minus 1, So 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So in this way, you have to identify that how many numbers are there. See, final value minus initial value and both are inclusive. That's why you have to add 1 unit guys, in the formula. Now, how many numbers? Between 400 to 800 which are divisible by 4, 5, 6. Now see, what is the LCM of 4, 5, 6? 4, 5, 6. So LCM is exactly equal to 60 units. Now go through the information. See, first number is exactly equal to 420. Why? Because after 400, 420 is the number which is divisible by 60. What about the next number? 480, right? If we verify in this way, 800, it is not at all divisible by 60 table, but 708 60th table. Now the question, how many numbers are possible? I told you guys, just last number minus first number, and you can find the difference, guys. See, in in the previous information, there is a difference of 1 unit, but here the difference of 60 units, right? So 780 minus of 420 is exactly equal to 360. Give me a second. Yes, 360 is divided by 60 and you have to add 1 unit guys. So this is exactly 6 times 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 7 is the correct answer. Total you can see 7 different numbers. Otherwise see, up to 400, first of all, how many are there? 400 divided by 60 is exactly equal to 60 numbers. The same way, 800 divided by 60, 0, 0 cancel. 6 is multiplied with the 13 times. Now you just find the difference. 13 minus of 6 is equal to 7. You have another method also. You can go through the any one of these approach. Guys, everyone like our video. If you like our video, guys, it reaches to the maximum number of people. So support our channel and share this information with your friends. If you guys are new to our channel, just subscribe. A positive integer, when divided by 425, gives a remainder 45. When the same number is divided by 17, remainder will be. See, when divided by 425, remainder is 45. There is a x number. We are dividing with 425. Then remainder is 45. See, what about the number? Number, divisor is multiplied with a quotient and remainder is 45. Now we are dividing these number with a 70. Let's go through the further calculation. See, 425 cube by 70 plus 45 divided by 70. Now see here, let's go through the 17 to 34 guys. 34, 85 means it is exactly 25. There is a no remainder is left. If 17 is multiplied with the 2 times, it becomes 34. Now 34 and 45, you can see the difference of 11 units. Now if entire number is divided by 17, it leaves remainder is 11. Try this one. Next. A number when divided by 280 leaves 115 as a remainder. When the same number is divided by 35, the remainder is. Now see, a number is divided by 280, remainder, leaves a remainder is 151. So what about the number? If 280 multiplied with a quotient and remainder is 150. Now we are dividing same number with 35. Go through the further calculation. 280 q divided by 35, 115 divided by 35, and you will get 280 in 35 table guys. See, 35 is multiplied with a 2 times is exactly equal to 70 and 35 into 8. So it is 4 times, it is exactly equal to 280. So there is a no remainder is left. Now 35 is multiplied with a 3 times is 105. So but you can see the difference of 10 units means remainder is 10. Try this one. to answer this question, guys? Post your answer in the comment section. I will check your comments. Everyone, share this information with your friends. If you friends are also preparing for the competitive examinations, definitely this content will help their preparation. Guys. So keep sharing and like our video. And if you guys are new to our channel, just subscribe our channel. See the question. If sum of two numbers is 120 and their quotient is 5, then difference of two numbers. Sum of two numbers x plus y is equal to 120. X divided by y, they're talking about quotient is 5. So you should understand that x value is exactly equal to 5 times the 5. If you replace here 5y plus 5 is equal to 120, now you will get y value is equal to 20 units. If y is equal to 20, so here x value is equal to 100, guys. So 5 into 20 is 100. But here the question, what is the difference of those two numbers? The difference between y and x value is exactly equal to 80 units. Go through this model. A number when divided by 91 gives remainder is 17. When the same number is divided by 13, what is the remainder? See, here the number is divided by 91. So 91 into quotient, it leaves remainder is 17. Now we are dividing same number with the 13. If 91q divided by 13 and 17 by 13 and it never leaves any remainder, here remainder is 0. But 17 and 13, if you observe the calculation, it leaves remainder is 4 units. So 13 once 13 and difference of 17 and 13 is 4 units. Go through this data. See this question. When an integer k is divided by 3, remainder is 1. When k plus 1 is divided by 5, then the remainder is 0. Which of the following possible value of k? See, k plus 1 is divided by 5. So if you go through the option, guys, k plus 1 is divided by 5, it is only possible, it is k plus 1 is equal to 65. Why? Because see, let us assuming that k value is equal to 62, right? 62 k value means it is not at all divisible by 5 after adding 1. So 63 is not possible, 65 is not possible. K plus 1 value is equal to 65, but they are talking about k, right? Here the k value is equal to 64. According to the options, choose your answer wisely. See, we need k value, and they clearly mention that k plus 1 is divided by 5. So definitely k plus 1 is equal to 65, and k value should be replaced with the 64 only. Next, go through this question. Now see, if 47 is added to the product of 71 and an unknown number, the new number is divisible by 7. Gives quotient is 98. So what about the unknown number? If 47 is added to the product of 71 and unknown number, see, we will get the resultant. See, the new number is divisible by 7. So it is divisible by 7 and they are talking about quotient is 98. It means see, 47 plus 71x is equal to 7 is multiplied with the 98. For the calculations, let's take this is the value of 100 minus of 2. So 700 minus of 14. So if we go through the difference, see, 71x is equal to, here the difference value is exactly equal to 786, and you have to subtract it 47 units for the calculation. 71x is equal to 16 minus of 7 9 units, 7 minus 4 3 units, and here 7 39 units. Let me check the calculation once again. So 47 here, 47 is added to the 71, and the product value quotient is 98, 98 into 7. So 700 minus of 14 is all about 786. Now see, next value you can find the difference here. So 771x, then x is equal to 739. Guys, sorry, this is 686. This is 639. Sorry for this one. And here x value is equal to 9. Why? Because 71 is exactly multiplied with the 9 times, then it becomes 639. You will get x is equal to 9. So they clearly mentioned that here the x value is exactly divisible by which number. So out of the option, 3 is the correct answer. So 9 is divisible by 3. Next, go through this question. Now see, 4 power 61, 4 power 62, 4 power 63 is divisible by. Let's take that 4 power 61 is common. If 4 power 61 is a common, then 1 plus 4 power 1 plus 4 square. Now 4 power 61, 1 plus 4 plus 16. Now 4 power 61 is multiplied with the 21. If you go through that, guys, see 4 power 61 is the common, then you will get C 1, 4 power 1 and 4 square. So here the 4 square is equal to 16 and 4 power 1 is 4, and total value is equal to 21. If you observe the option, guys, see 4 power 61 into 21, 21 is exactly divided by 3 table. It is not divisible by 11 or 13 or 17. That's why 4 power 61 plus 4 power 62 and 4 power 63 is some value. So whatever the value which is exactly divided by 3 itself. See, factors of 21 is 1, 3, 7, and 21. So according to the options, you can see this 3, right? That's why you can choose the answer. It is divisible by 3. Next, go through this question. Which of the following numbers will always divided a 6-digit number is in the form of xy, 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 guys? Let's split it into the 3 parts here. Now this is, let's consider this is the units place value and hundreds place value, both are combined. So this is all about units place and tens place, 100 and 1000, 10,000 and 1 lakh. If you are interested, you can multiply that value. But I will make it simple here. So let's consider this is units, and let us consider this is hundreds, and let us consider these two numbers thousands. So xy is multiplied with 1,000, and xy is multiplied with 100, and xy is multiplied with 1. Now see, 1000 xy plus 100 xy plus xy. If you go through this total value, guys, here the total value is exactly equal to units, hundreds, and 10,000, guys. This is 10,000. Let me repeat the procedure if you are interested. For example, if y is multiplied with the place value, units place value, x is multiplied with the tens place, y is multiplied with the 100, and x is multiplied with the 1,000. Again, y is multiplied with the 10,000. Next, x is multiplied with the 1 lakh. So in this way, you have to multiply with their place value. While go through this sum, see 1 lakh plus 1,000. So 1 lakh plus 1,000 plus 1. So total value is equal to 1 lakh. 1 lakh 1,001. Same way, 10,000 by 100 by 5. So what is the value here? So 10,000 plus 100 plus 1. So total value is 10,101. See what is the common value here? 1 lakh 10,000 and a 10. So 1 lakh 10,000 10 days. This is 1010x. Now if you go through that 1010 1 is a common, then it left with the 10x plus 1. Now here the question, it is always divisible by 10,101 is the correct answer. But I will make it simple here. So divide it into 3 sets, xy, xy, xy. And see, you have to multiply. See, this is into 1, this is exactly 100 times, and this is exactly 10,000 times. Now see, 10,000 xy plus 100 xy plus xy. If you go through that, 10101, and it is multiplied with the xy. So in this way you can able to solve these questions, guys. Go through this one. Next. The expression 2 power 6n minus 4 power 2n, where n is the natural number, is always divisible by 2 power 6n minus 4 power 2n. Let's go through this information. Use this property. A power m whole power n is all about a power mn. Now 2 power 6 can be taken as 64 whole power n minus 4 square means 16 power n. And n is any natural number. So let's take n is equal to 1. Here the difference of 64 minus of 16 is equal to 48. They clearly mention that n is the natural number. Next. Go through this question. When a number is divided by 36, remainder is 19. What will be the remainder when divided by 12? When a number is divided by 36, remainder is 19. What about that number here? 36 is multiplied with the quotient and remainder is 19. Now we are going to divide this number with a 12. It means 36 cube divided by 12, 19 by 12. So it is no remainder. If 12 once exactly 12, here the remainder is 7. 2 power 61 minus of 1 is divisible by. Now see, 2 power 16 minus 1 is divisible by which of the numbers? Let's take this number. Can I take 2 power 16 as 2 power 8 whole square? A power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. Use this property. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. If you go through the 2 power 8 plus 1, 2 power 8 minus 1. Here 2 power 8 is all about 256 minus 1. This is all about 256 plus 1. So here the difference is 255 is multiplied with the 257. And you already know that. Let's go through the option verification here. So 255 or 257, both the numbers are not at all divisible by 13. And it is also not divisible by 13 table also. It is not divisible by 11 and 13. Let's check with the 17 here. 17 is multiplied with a 1 time. So it is exactly equal to 17. If you go through the 25, you can see the difference of 80 5, one number, another number is 87. So you will get 85 in 5 table, means 255 is exactly divided by 17 table. See, 17 ones 17. How much of difference? 85. 17 5 85 means this is the number is exactly divided by 7. In this way, you can choose your option. Hope you understand the concept. Go through the video once again. You understand all the different models. You can able to solve any questions related for number system. Guys, follow me in the Telegram. Search V2VVK. You can get my Telegram channel link and you can follow us. And follow us in the Instagram also. Search Vision to Victory. You will get my channel link and the support us, guys. And we are going to conduct many live sessions in future. I'm expecting your support, guys. Other than your support, I'm never expect anything from you. Support our channel and share this information with your friends. So definitely you will get the best content out of it. So that's it from today's session. Until the next session, have a nice day. Good night, guys.